Hi, today is Thankful Thursday, and we just wanted to take a moment to thank all of our customers. We are so thankful for each and every one of them. And we're also thankful for our staff here. And our staff is a great staff that helps make your experience here at Paul's Automotive one of the best experiences ever. So let's go meet some of our staff and show them how thankful we are today. Let's go out to the shop here and see what Mr. Paul is doing here. Oh, it looks like he's talking to a customer right now and informing them about what's going on with their vehicle. He's so good at that. We are so thankful. And if you've ever been in the shop and met Paul, you can't help but love his wacky sense of humor. Hey, Paul, how's it going today?
Going good, going good.
We're thankful for you. And on farther out into the shop here, we have Mr. Bill. Mr. Bill is our master tech. We couldn't do without him, and we are so thankful for him. He is the best at what he does. He is in the process right now of putting a valve spring in a customer's vehicle. Bill, how's it going today?
Well, it's going pretty good, I guess.
All right. Well, thanks for all you do. We appreciate it. And this is Cole, who will do anything that's required to get the job done. So sorry that we're going to be losing him at the end of the month. He's going back home to Michigan.
Sorry.
We wish him well.
Thank you.
And this is Corey, who we are so thankful for. He is our awesome customer service representative. If you've ever been in our office and met Corey, you can't help but love him. Say something, Corey.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you for saying nice things about me.